find a power on him that was making him have edge over me. So we jointly voted for him. Go and represent us. We believe you can do this. Because two kings cannot occupy a palace at the same time. So Nigeria has many things to offer to Tinubu's regime. And if it's in Alausa, key down the spirit of ghost worker. Then in Lagos State and everywhere, if you go to mosque on Friday, then try to return back to work. Don't go from there home. And then we should reduce going to Mecca in this regime. And we should remove, whether we cancel it. If you want to go to Mecca, go with your money. We should cancel going to Jerusalem too. Because these are waste pipe. What these things are waste pipe. You know, when you go to Jerusalem, the Christians there, they are too greedy. They are not open. Those that gave you the piloting of everywhere you saw John in Jerusalem. The Muslim there can dash you Bible and Quran or Tesla. But the Christian in Jerusalem, they are as stingy as the church rat. And there's no amount of year you spend in Jerusalem as a foreigner. They won't give you their passport. Yes, do not. So it's quite different from the Jerusalem that we have in the Bible. The Israel we have in the Bible. This one is one of the practical ones that suffer in the hand of Adolf Hitler.